In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste transpose in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to flip your data so rows become columns and columns become rows, which is perfect for reorganizing a table, turning a vertical list into a horizontal header, or reformatting data to match a template. First, look at the data you want to rearrange and select it. Click and drag to highlight the entire range, including headers if you want them to rotate as well. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got exactly what you need. No extra blank rows or columns that might carry over. If any cells are merged, consider unmerging first, because merged cells can block a clean transpose. Also, glance at your sheet to make sure you have enough empty space where the transposed result will go, since the new orientation may be wider or taller than the original selection. Next, copy the selection. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. On a Mac, use Command+C. You should see a moving outline around your selection, which confirms the copy worked. Keeping your data on the clipboard, you're ready to choose the destination. Click the single cell where you want the transposed result to begin. This cell will become the top left corner of your flipped data. It's often best to pick a clear spot with plenty of room, so nothing important gets overwritten. If you're unsure, pick an empty area on the same sheet to preview the result. You can always undo if needed. Now right-click on that destination cell, hover over Paste Special, and choose Transposed. In an instant, Google Sheets will flip your selection. Each row becomes a column, and each column becomes a row. If the pasted result doesn't look right, press Ctrl+Z or use Undo to back up and try a different destination. You may want to adjust column widths afterwards so everything is easy to read. That's it. You selected your data, copied it, chose a destination cell, and used Paste Special to transpose. This method gives you a quick, clean reorientation of your data without retyping. If you ever need a live updating version that stays linked to the original range, you can explore using the transpose function instead. But for a fast one-time flip, Paste Special. Transposed is the most straightforward approach. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to paste transpose in Google Sheets with confidence.